Come test drive the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.